draw the condensed structure and the molecular formula. And last question was it, would this be a new compound or the same compound as propane if you remove the chlorine atom in question 1 and switch it with hydrogen? Moment how you best solve the question. The next one also draw the condensed structural formula for this compound. Okay, so we a expanded version, we a condensed version. Condensed is a kitwa and expanded eso. Inti we no say tre condensed structural formula na. Uhe carbon we a over trading C ewa. Hydrogens na wo ye 3 into 1 2 3. O draw condensed structure na umfa ababia emeshisa carbon ni mu se de di kan ye wo expanded ni mu. And once I watch the number of hydrogens na bonded to this carbon into over tray H no watch subscript 3. The compressive structure we no 10 na. Now of course second one. Focus on this guy. Carbon number 2, hydrogens na is 1 2. Over tray H, then you add subscript 2. Then you go to the next carbon, which is C. Hydrogens na 1 2. And chlorine be so chlorine no a Cl. I want to say ya condensing. So this is the condensed version. Condensed structure formula no a little bit more compressed than the expanded form. What is it? Okay. Try the molecular formula for this same compound. Molecular formula no a super compressed version. Inti no you bet kind carbons ni atwere the number no. Inti how many carbons do you see? 1 2 and 3. Tibetwe C3. Ni akan hydrogens ni na ewo mu no. Ni anse atwere number. Inti yankan yansa say free ha. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Inti ni atwere H7. Chlorine do say na 1. No atwere chlorine. Eno no yentwere 1 bi ansha ha. Inti ni say 1 a yemfa number bi ansha ho. 2 a ene edi bi edi number bi abehihya ho. So the last question, Obisa say, if you switch this guy, which is the chlorine, okay? If you switch the chlorine with hydrogen, now they compare the former compound na propane na. So this is the previous propane compound. We a new one na chlorine and it says switch chlorine on never hydrogen shaho. And the compare her say the same and the same. The number of carbons here, the number of carbons there, the number of hydrogens in this compound in my left hand no, and the number of hydrogens in this compound in my right hand no, so that means we will say it's the same compound because they have the same atoms and bonds. KokoChem is here to help you every step of the way so that you'll be able to think critically and solve even more challenging questions, okay? Thank you again for learning chemistry with KokoChem. If you find this video helpful, kindly share it with friends and family and let them also enjoy.